Yes, even about Adom TV, so Adom TV, so between media studio, we can see what's empire saka, and I no pencil a jam. In the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year catch back pay. The only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and a messing Kunyana Mekono Quantum Coordinates Modern and Sakan, and a pencil view, our Ghana good him a jow. Shanasumam say Numa Kuniam and Sa, Omana boys, Kajuti men and pay, Yaden common ever. 1x bet, I've always told you that betting there is better than Saka, or bet there, 1x bet to try to before, didn't before try to Kumabia, within Kumasa no manum, catching a bush for now for 4 year mouth as if for none and Mukrumo, on Prafone now for you say 1x bet, and a better. Boys, Eddie is stay. Mr. Wa, Yaman Queen from our wiki, move more than that's us, no betting right. We tried it before, we bet me before. Then we bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sikay Yano, and no any editra betting. To per bet, yeah, a 1x bet. Jeff fast Mr. Address that she, Emma infections, it to a say if you want a bois, gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, wife, fit and so deep, a proper Haravano bomb out within Chinichep. More than that, some Sabitia can Jeff fast herba, Mr. Dui, Oko herba shops, and pharmaceutical shops, Nema, Onsa, Ebetimi, Arcabi. Nothing so said. More gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas super pim air on arsenal. Ya would be a witty be a pain. It was say if you ho, the boy Emma also nya pomodene, Pomodia da ko ashamana. So ya for Gusuna Modi about Sabitan Cadribia to Sasuna Dwini, 8 me as actually Musu or Temaswa, and Yana Crabitin Afro paying for 020 821 9129. Now only said more gel and roll on phone paying for. Yen twetwen komo yen hwemwa man sentiment kedru bi na mwa ema onan so intimacy si onan so wemu ene sponsor say techira abo men na penso ye dia go kensi hu sempa ensaka etimi jaw One etimi a present items are range from medals and afi plaques and afi trophies ne hokoniaba e de ama 10 football regions na e Ghana ha we adwumadi a omode mom se be ya koba so bidi nkunim e de fi juvenile league ni ma ye de saba sport ye kesi bitinyama na ukoma na se wo hwe kumase a o ma select se omne be host the maiden edition of the 2022-2023 KGL Foundation Inter-Regional Championship against KC between Sabas and Timino Cassadia, 10 regional football associations. No, dear, I crowd say Quambia, so between select best under 17 players are on between Jim, now from our boss I can see Amaniama at me at 2 years at the Magana football, Ninkanko and Nimpuntu.
I want to support football at the grassroots level, even before we enter into the national championship, where this year we're not going to have the inter-club competition, but we're going to have the inter-regional competition. So it's Greater Accra versus Ashanti region, or Ashanti region versus Volta region, etc., etc. And Julius and the rest of the team at the competitions department would ensure that we have a very good footballing.
The Cat Edwin Simon Okraku Ghana Football Association President and a new Mapabia Wayano, or Nam Soma and 10 football regions, no 16 regions, the about 10 and a football. Edima Quatenepa, Homadi Makiti, or Mamushan himself can be a Sumbitia Bois, Emma and Qualantity football, at me Akosostro, Ediamum Jumedia, one so Egosu Eden, one craft from no, Edeni H Division 1 League in Swakachako PM Ozone 3 dia. Pondo out of France, best in film Akuma Kubes and Wakini, Omuko Quabitrum, Chewa Danes, Nema intimate down to 2 years from Momedia, Abroa, Aypuma Kuma Mometia qualify, Ediomani H Premier League in Mubium. Now, Dr. Randy Abbey, Executive Council member of the Ghana Football Association, and Comodia Ban Sequando, Heart of France by the Boboleji boys, Yamia Doma, Ombitia Beckham, Amabo Premier League no Ache.
I'm excited. We never give up and we're happy that it's paid off. I'm excited. Well, we intend to stay, so we'll do all the things necessary to lift up the club, so we'll improve on all sides. I mean, the playing body, the management, infrastructure, everything. So we'll try and work extremely hard to improve on all sides and expect that we'll be able to not just stay in the Premier League but also make an impact. I'm excited.
See, Dr. Randy Abbey ono ana okoto team ni Victor Akpeni ahiakpo na ne kitara ne dia ana oche somaba Premier League mu de ombehwa aboa emaniama etiatuto yi edi amom. If you offer ni nchire mu Ghana Premier League outstanding week fixtures be etimi san to dwa no na enika enra Adriana Stars na Adom ahene ne mrante no omne Karela Football Club and at the boss 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was barren obi ne hotel poso nyon kwate na Mediama Sporting Club Moses Amapa Kaniri Rose Park won so egina mu Echibeche United Ghana's Dangote the team no etwam 2-1 e wo sa akenzi kesia eno so pie mu enra.
So amazing, smashed it. The goalkeeper Dari had no chance whatsoever to stop that ball.
Swings it in nicely. towards the face of goal. The clearance by Ambition. It was not the best. He's headed backwards, and it's goal number 2.
It was an easy tap in for the top scorer for Badwam. Here, he went in, headed the ball cleanly, but then again, he was the quickest to react and just hit the ball with the inside of his foot, rolled it just over the line here. The clearance not the best, and he fell for a Tinga again, and it's a simple tap-in, and Badwam are up by 2.
They are not in a hurry to come forward, Bechem United. They're trying to draw Badwam out of their defensive shell. It's not working as yet, but the pass is through now. Oh!
Look at them passing with that confidence. Cephas Mate with a beautiful turn. A lovely pass to put Aqua through, and it's a smash and finish. Pokes the ball beyond the reach of goalkeeper Felix Che, but look at the passing. Look at
the outstanding league fixtures. It means people and they don't soon so kakra. It means but then after say Adriana Stars any a omo etipen for if you carrela a boy etipen chrono. Yakoba and say Parkwesi Fibin Nebo Anyo sa a resource a pimino sukra.
First chances in the first half. We could have buried we could have finished the game in the first half. We messed them all up, and that's football for you.
But if you want to win the Premier League, you can't be creating chances like this and not scoring.
Exactly. Every day we come here, we work on scoring, and yet I don't know.
2 valuable home points dropped.
Yeah.
What does it do to your title ambitions?
A little shaky, but we are still on top. But, so we're still fighting.
With how these guys are playing, you think they have the mental fortitude and the character to go all the way and hand the people of Doma the title?
We keep working on it and see what happens.
Edema Adriana Stars Parkwesi Fibin na tene kan se wajatum se baby a as Adriana Stars akoda di cd as awoso kakra e ya kam e omo dwumadi a wo mo egusu edini mu ye mede e prapram pramadwade ye kra no e Vincent Mathematica Company wono e abrante baku si akan Edema Badwam Sporting Club enra oshego na osanfa man of the match after the game emra central for ne bo mpunipuno ye Vincent e Atinga Company e di tudwani.
Coach, and we too much determined to win this game because this game is very important for us. Because when we win the game, we will be on a second position. But determination and then hard work, we were able to win. So we are now on the second of the table.
You keep getting result here at the compact, but when you go away from that compact in away matches, you've not been pulling the same performance. In your next game against Hearts of Oak, what do you need to do to gain results if you really want to win the league?
Well, there will be a week before Hearts game, so we go back to the drawing board, and whatever our coaches will tell us, then we carry into the game. We were coached and we were too much determined to win this game.
Badwam Sporting Club, Vincent Atinga Company, and I'll tell you in Como age and say, we're here, a compact or the Albaha. Omba ya mo fiko na so omkwa bontia na se mo etwa fo mo so kakane mo chese nei omasuo mo kunim die mu a ne aka kakra bi ne de omba prepreche okwan fefefe so ama omo supporters no age omadi ti hwemu a na se Moses Amapaka ne Heroes Park omba komtia fa ho etua mo e de ama players nsebe a nyama ebetia tutu yi e de amomnya league na omba gene kwan fefefe so a ebaburu bia adwene ene ne ntiase so bedu sia na mada wase 1xbet omo le tachi na fe Jeffas Mixture and so etachiri pa can do 2 infections asia omudi ma kwetene pa na fe Sedimo gel roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel so tachiri and edi dwumadi ebro within the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Walasa gudi catch back penem ginemu and of course evidence based sports presentation itmejaw radent na nima onyo kese nyifu bi ne da so ni emfa wonko ba bia ene da so ewo na hye no so ma me say the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.